Hey, welcome back to Tradely. Today, we're going to talk about the best penny stocks that could potentially make you a millionaire. But before subscribe to never miss any video. We even have one stock on this list that is worth around $3 but could be worth higher than $100 per share. The first stock we have on our list is ticker symbol ZVI, which trades for $4.64. This company is an American beverage company that develops and distributes various carbonated and non-carbonated beverages throughout North America, with the exclusion of Mexico. So, that means this company sells sodas, energy drinks, teas, various mixer drinks, kids' beverages, and of course, sparkling water. What's so special about this company? Well, their low-end share price is only $3.50, and their high-end share price is $8. This means that investors could potentially, in a very short amount of time, almost double their money on this particular stock. They also released pretty decent third-quarter financial results, where they beat their earnings per share by 4 cents per share, which is pretty big in terms of their EPS. The company also brought in around $44.24 million worth of revenue, which is not bad for a penny stock. But let me tell you, this is literally the least impressive company on this list. Just wait until we get further down into the list where we talk about stocks that could surge by hundreds and even thousands of percent. The next company we have is Trilogy Metals Inc., ticker symbol TMQ. Right now, this company trades for just 56 cents. Professionals believe, at a minimum, the company is worth $1.50 and at a maximum could surge up to $2.50. That means potentially, the company could triple what you put into it in the next 12 months. If you're not familiar with Trilogy Metals, this company explores as well as develops various mineral properties around the United States. A national bank analyst even revised the price target for this company, lowering their price target from 1.35 cents down to $1.15. However, even if we take this 1.15 price target, clearly the stock could more than double, thus maximizing your overall returns in a very short amount of time. Right now, the current company is set to perform with their general sector. We even have a quote from one of their advocates which says, "Trilogy Metals Inc. has one of the highest grade resource deposits in the world, packed with 159 million pounds of copper, 199 pounds of zinc, 33 million pounds of lead, 3 million ounces of silver, and 30,600 ounces of gold." The next company on our list is a Canadian oil and gas company called Obsidian Energy Limited, ticker symbol OB, which is currently trading for $1.30 per share. This company explores and develops oil and gas properties in Alberta, Canada. According to analysts, the company has a 12-month price target of $3 per share, which means there is potential for significant growth. Additionally, the company has recently announced a series of cost-cutting measures and a shift towards renewable energy, which could make it more attractive to investors interested in environmentally responsible investments. Moving on to the next company on our list, we have GT Biopharma Incorporated, ticker symbol GTBP, which is currently trading for $6.22 per share. This company is a clinical-stage biotechnology company focused on developing novel immuno-oncology treatments for cancer patients. The company has several promising drug candidates in its pipeline and has recently announced positive results from its Phase 1 clinical trial for its lead drug candidate, GTB-3550. Some analysts predict that the company's share price could reach as high as $30 in the future if its drug candidates continue to perform well in clinical trials. Later Holdings Incorporated, ticker symbol WTRH, which is currently trading for $2.45 per share. This company operates an online food ordering and delivery platform, primarily in the southern United States. The company has recently announced plans to expand into new markets and to launch a new subscription-based delivery service. Additionally, the company has reported strong revenue growth over the past year, which could bode well for its future performance. Some analysts predict that the company's share price could reach as high as $10 in the future if it continues to execute on its growth plans. The fifth penny stock on our list is Acasti Pharma Incorporated, ticker symbol ACSD, which is currently trading at 51 cents. This company specializes in the development and commercialization of prescription drugs for the treatment of cardiometabolic disorders. While the company has been struggling with financial losses, it recently entered into a merger agreement with Grace Therapeutics Incorporated that could potentially help its financials in the long term. Bullish investors believe that the stock could surge up to $3 per share, which would be a six-fold increase from its current price. The sixth penny stock that you might want to consider is PDS Biotechnology Corporation, ticker symbol PDSB, which is currently trading at $2.16. This company is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company that focuses on developing cancer immunotherapies and infectious disease vaccines. While the company has had some setbacks in the past, it recently received a grant of $6.6 million from the National Institutes of Health to support its research and development efforts. Some bullish investors believe that the stock could surge up to $20 per share, which would be almost a tenfold increase from its current price. The seventh penny stock on our list is BriaCell Therapeutics Corporation, ticker symbol BCTX, which is currently trading at $3.08. This company is a clinical-stage biotechnology company that specializes in developing personalized immunotherapies for cancer patients. The company has been making steady progress in its clinical trials and recently announced positive results for its breast cancer vaccine candidate. Some bullish investors believe that the stock could surge up to $15 per share, which would be almost a five-fold increase from its current price. The eighth penny stock that you might want to consider is OCGN Incorporated, ticker symbol OCGN, which is currently trading at $1.36. This company is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company that focuses on developing gene therapies to cure blindness diseases. The company recently announced that it has received authorization to conduct clinical trials for its gene therapy candidate for retinitis pigmentosa, which is a rare genetic disease that causes vision loss. Some bullish investors believe that the stock could surge up to $10 per share, which would be almost a seven-fold increase from its current price. The ninth penny stock on our list is Bellerophon Therapeutics Inc., ticker symbol BLPH, which is currently trading at $2.23. This company is a clinical-stage biotherapeutics company that specializes in developing treatments for cardiopulmonary diseases. The company recently announced positive results for its clinical trial of its inhaled nitric oxide treatment for pulmonary hypertension. Some bullish investors believe that the stock could surge up to $15 per share, which would be almost a seven-fold increase from its current price. The 10th penny stock that you might want to consider is IDEX Incorporated, ticker symbol IDEX, which is currently trading at $1.08. This company is a global company that focuses on electric vehicle, EV, and fintech businesses. The company recently announced that it has acquired Wireless Advanced Vehicle Electrification, WAVE, which is a provider of inductive charging solutions for EVs. Some bullish investors believe that the stock could surge up to $10 per share. Subscribe to don't miss future videos.